There are three industries we're particularly excited about for Asia-Pac. The first one is the automotive industry. Greater China has been the largest new energy vehicle market since 2015, with a staggering 40% market share. Another industry that we're particularly excited about is the wind industry, where we're seeing 100 billion being invested by 2020. And the third one is the industry where we're currently looking at a very, very exciting offering that we're developing, which is AI-powered manufacturing, which is about using data, gathering data generated by robots, and using this as additional insight to drive autonomously the factory. These are three industries where we're absolutely convinced that clients can benefit from our Industry X.0 experience and offerings, and we're extremely excited to start engaging with them.